Welcome to Research Rocks. If you have iPhone, MacBook, iPad, so this video is very important for you. Because of this video, I'm giving you demonstration related to one of the outstanding application, and that application name is a Note app. You need to know everything in this video, how many features are available, how to use, and what is the new of Note application in iOS 18.2 or 18.3 or 18 version. So let's start demonstration on. Mobile screen is here, Note application is here, and look at this, my personal Note application related use. All notes, my company related, job related, country related, and Max notes is available here. You can distribute and customize your all detailed information like this. So first of all, I will show you some of the important points how to create a folder in this particular Note application. Look at this here, my personal My Note application, 3 different options or attributes are showing here. First one is iCloud. Why I am using iCloud, I have in MacBook and iPhone. If I am editing here, so automatically all data is transferred on my Mac app notes also. So that's why I prefer the iCloud. Gmail options also very nice, but Gmail is a third party and sometimes I personally recommend don't use as a Gmail option, use iCloud, and your note contains less than 1 gigabytes or less than, of course, in 5 gigabytes. 5 gigabytes space also available absolutely free in iCloud, so definitely we should use in this one. So now I create first of all the folder. You should just simply tap here, and this is my folder, and I just simply type here the folder name Research Rocks. Done. So look at this here, Research Rocks folder is showing here. If you tap here, inside the Research Rocks, I want to create one file. So this is my file, and I type here, this is a video related on Note application, everything and all features I'm explaining here one by one. So these features come here. If you select here and you want to use as a Apple Intelligent here, so look at this, I select and writing tool is coming here. Writing tool, it means Apple Intelligent. You just simply tap here, and look at this here, inside the writing tool, the ChatGPT is also coming here. In the compose, you can edit this one, summarize, key point, list, table, friendly, professional and casual conversation is going on. If you want convert entire paragraph or information professional wise, so you should use this one. You should select as a specific word and you want change the color, so you should change the color as well. Tab here, and now they are introducing change the color of specific font in iOS 18. So you just select which color you want, like some of the colors options are available. This time they are introducing the changing the color option in Note application in mobile phone, especially. Previously laptop, using Mac, you should change the color here, the title, the subheading, body, and some other format related options also available. You should cut this one, and that one is really interesting features they are introducing here, and even some of the important points, and you should design your own Note application feature. Next one, you scan some documents, so you should very easily scan the document. Click here in the pin section and here scan the document, and inside the setting option you should just simply scan this entire document like this. The document scan, after that you should adjust the documents and say keep scan, and the document is scanned. You should save this document and the document is the same. Again, you should press here ping section, and here record audio options is available. If you want to record something, so voice memo options is automatically coming here, and if you want to record something, I record here voice, specific voice, and if you pause, done. And look at this here, automatically the recording is a convert as a text format. If you want to record something, I record voice like this. You want play, you should play here from here, no need to go any other places. Everything is here. You record the voice, play the voice, and convert entire voice as a text format. That one is really interesting. You click here, again here image playground options also available. If you provide some of the text and the text convert as image format using the Note application, that is really interesting. Look at this, I just simply press here and the Note application are change the some of the pictures, the playground, creating some of the pictures related on my text. That is really interesting. Again play here, Choose photo and video and connect here very easily like this. Add the photo and the photo is coming here. If you use this feature, again click here, scan the text as well. If some text available on the image format, look at this notebook and here the image, I just simply scan this one. Entire text automatically coming here. This is the beauty of note application. You can very easily scan this text as well. And if you call someone and you want to record the call, the voice is also coming here. You want to share this one, it's very easy. Tab here and share the entire note or contribution of the specific. You can share this like this, and the note application in going on this particular person via iMessenger. You should send this note application via WhatsApp as well, any kind of social media. So that one is really interesting. Here if you want to use Apple Intelligence, the bottom of the screen here, the Apple Intelligence is available like in writing tool. So writing tools already say ChatGPT integration is available. You should use the ChatGPT Apple Intelligence directly on the note application without use any third party places. Look at this here, 20 plus 10. If I say here equal to, automatically addition is coming here. iOS 18 are introducing this one. If you type here like this, I just simply say done and I use here 10 plus 10 equal to. So look at this, 20 is coming like same format, which format I am typing here. So that is the beauty of the note application. So you should share this note application someone else, collaborate work. So many features are available here in the note application. I already explained all the features here. If you have any question related on note application, if you have any suggestion, you can provide me on comment section. Definitely I will reach out to you as soon as possible. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.